This is bylaw. Taking all of our things, our homes, our clothing, everything. All this does is cause more crime, more thefts, leaving us hopeless and helpless with nowhere to go. It's pouring rain out. It's only 8 a.m. How would you guys feel if we came to your home, told you to leave, took everything you owned? I strongly urge anybody who knows nothing about homelessness, come spend a week out here. See how it feels. This is ridiculous. Me, myself, I'm a single mother. I'm about to set a trial to fight for my daughter. There's no housing for me. All of the buildings are wet buildings. The children aren't allowed. And I'm stuck out here. I've been out here myself for 8 years. I was just on the news recently doing an interview to try to help our place get $2 million for their women's treatment center, which thankfully was approved. It's pouring rain out here. They take our stuff and they throw it out. They said this is uncalled for. My friend right now is sitting in his tent waiting for bylaw to come and tell him to move with broken ribs. We wake up to this every morning. So now what shall we do? We have no clothing to change into. So we're staying out here all day in wet clothing with nowhere to spend our time as they hit tent after tent. And then on top of that, they're putting up fencing so we cannot put our tents up here anymore. Where are we supposed to go?